Hi, I'm Khalid with October Moon, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your business on Slack. And if you're asking, what is Slack? It's a flexible internal communication tool, and your business will benefit from this in several ways. First, it's scalable. So as your business grows, so does Slack. It's easy to create new channels and invite new team members. The channels are observable, which means they exist through time. So there's no digging through emails for links and documents. A simple search puts everything right at your fingertips. It's completely customizable. Your company can have a lot of engagement areas, and not every notification needs to hit every member's phone. So you set your alerts and statuses and know that you can work without fear of missing out. Finally, believe it or not, Slack is fun. It's a virtual water cooler. So now that we know what Slack is and how it can benefit us, let's get to it. Before getting started in Slack, it's important to understand three things about your business: company structure, key engagement areas, and company voice or tone. And when it comes to company structure, most businesses can be broken down into three main groups: sales and marketing, operations, and administrations. And each one of these groups can be broken down into smaller subgroups. These subgroups can be called our key engagement areas, our channels of communication. That's an outline of what we need to get started in Slack. Our next steps: create the workspace, create the channels, and edit profile, and invite the team. Let's jump over to the browser and see how this is done. First, enter your email address. You can do this in three ways: Google login, Apple login, or traditional email and password. I continue with my Google account because this is the email associated with my business, and I recommend you using your work email address too. Well, create the workspace. Note that if this is your first time ever logging into Slack, you will need to verify your email address before you can use the platform. And if you don't see a Create the Workspace button, check your email. Give your workspace a name. Keep it simple. First, Slack wants to import our contacts. I'm going to skip this step and build out the workspace first. Something that every team is working on is sales. So we're going to type in sales, click next. Again, let's not add any teammates yet. And if we wait a few seconds, we can skip this step, launching our workspace. And Slack does have a desktop app and wants to open the workspace in the app for you. Cancel the pop-up and click Use the Slack in the browser link. Perfect. We made our first channel. On the left is our list of channels and teammates. And at the top, we can edit the current channel information. Adding a description will help our teammates find the right channels for them quickly. Our current channel list contains three channels: General, Random, and Sales. General and Random were both created by Slack, and Sales was the one that we created. Let's add another channel by creating a new channel. I will name it Accounting and make it private by clicking the toggle button. This means that only people invited to the channel can see the channel. And when it's created, there is a lock next to the name letting me know that it's private. And the next channel from our key engagement area list is Marketing. I'm going to speed up the footage here while I go ahead and add the rest of the channels from our key engagement areas. Now that all the channels are created, let's edit our profile to establish the company tone. In the top right corner, click on the avatar. And in the pop-up, I can set my status and I can edit my profile. Click Edit Profile. When editing your profile, there are several items we can update. Update your full name, your display name, what do you do, your phone number, and you can set your time zone. You can also upload a new photo. To upload a photo, click the Upload Photo button. Select the photo you want to upload, crop and resize it, save it. Click Save Changes, and our profile is updated. Now that we have an accurate profile, let's set our status. Click the Set Status button. You can enter a custom status or choose from one of the pre-filled suggestions. Select how long you want the status to be visible before it clears, and pause notifications if you want. The only thing on our to-do list now is to invite our team members. So head on over to the left, click Invite Team Members, and there's 3 ways to do this. One via Google Import, another by typing in the email address, or we can copy an invite link to share. Once we've invited the team members, head back to the general channel and share your first post. Congratulations, you just set your business up on Slack. Thank you for your time. I hope this video helps you out and that Slack proves useful for you. Now, I am not affiliated with Slack, nor am I receiving any compensation from Slack for this video. I find it useful, and I hope you do too. And if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget, like and subscribe. I'm Khalid with October Moon, and thank you.